Let's look at this question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are 8 researchers from National Research Institute who attended the dinner organized on the last day of one research conference. The 8 researchers are botanist, chemist, economist, historian, physicist, psychologist, statistician, zoologist in some order. And they are from 8 different cities: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Pune in some order. The following points are known about the order in which they arrived at the dinner. So there are 4 parameters for us to take care of. First is their arrival order. Second is their name. Third is the profession that they have. And the fourth is the city that they belong. Okay. So let us go ahead and create a table. This nature. Directly pasted the table. And try to fill out the data points that we can. Now, among these data points, there are certain points that are going to be positive, certain points that are not going to be positive. So things that I can directly capture, I will write first. Start from there. The chemist arrived immediately following the economist, who in turn arrived immediately following the botanist. Can't really record it. C arrived immediately following A, who in turn arrived immediately following H. Can't really record it. The researcher from Bhopal arrived immediately following the researcher from Chandigarh, who in turn arrived immediately following the researcher from Pune. But can't record it. But this fourth point, H is a psychologist from Pune who was the 5th researcher to reach the venue of the dinner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is H is the psychologist. And he is from Pune. And this is interesting for us because not only did we have information about H, we also had information about Pune earlier. Let's go back to C arrived immediately following A, who in turn arrived immediately following H. So after H, there is A, then there is C, 6 and 7. So this point is taken care of. This point is taken care of. The third statement, the researcher from Bhopal arrived immediately following the researcher from Chandigarh, who in turn arrived immediately following the researcher from Pune. So if this is Pune, this is Chandigarh, and this is Bhopal. These are captured straight away. Point 2, 3, and 4 are entirely used. Next, exactly one person arrived between the psychologist and the zoologist. The psychologist we know. Now, exactly one person arriving between the psychologist and the zoologist. Between the psychologist and the zoologist. Maybe the zoologist is at, see, arrival order. I'm just writing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either the psychologist is at 5, so zoologist could be at 3 or zoologist could be at 7. We can't be certain, so I don't write it down. Exactly one person arrived between the researcher from Hyderabad and the researcher from Delhi. Can't really record it right now. Exactly one person arrived between A and E. So E could be at 4 or E could be at 8. Can't really record it. G is a botanist from Hyderabad. Can't really record it because the arrival numbers are fixed. G, botanist from Hyderabad, I can't really record. The zoologist is from Bhopal and the historian is from Ahmedabad. Now this is interesting. See, if the zoologist is from Bhopal, but I can't pick off 9 because the first part is understandable. I know C is from Bhopal, so he is the zoologist. Now, this point is taken care of. Point number 5, exactly one person right between the psychologist and the zoologist. And then, zoologist from Bhopal, but the second part is still left. Historian is from Ahmedabad. Can't really record it right now. Next is D is a physicist and B is a chemist. Can't really record it right now. So far we have taken care of. Point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and point 9 partial. Point 9, the first part we have taken care of. The next, how do we proceed from here is by making cases. And how do we make cases? We utilize this point number 7. Because this is only giving us 2 cases. E can be at 4 or E can be at 8. So, what I'm doing is, I'm copying this table and making a copy here And now I can have E. In one case, E coming here. In another case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In another case, E coming here. In both these cases, everything else is guaranteed. So we capture that. Pune, Chandigarh, and Bhopal. Okay. So now, even point number 7 is taken care of. Even point number 7 is taken care of. Now, now, what other things do we know? The chemist arrived immediately following the economist, who turned arrived immediately following the botanist. So, botanist, economist, and chemist can either be, I'm looking at the first case only right now. They can be 1, 2, 3 only here. They can be only 1, 2, 3. There is no other possibility. There are no 3 slots left for them. So it has to be botanist, then economist, followed by the chemist. The wonderful thing about this is, I know G is a botanist from Hyderabad. So G is a botanist from Hyderabad. This is done. And D is a physicist, B is a chemist. B is the chemist, so B is here. Now if D is the physicist, D cannot come in slot 2. The only slot D can come at is 8. So D is the physicist. The only profession left for E is statistician. And the only person left is F. Sorry. The only profession left for B, E is statistician. I can't write that. But the only person left is F. This is known. Now, the exactly one person arrived between the researcher from Hyderabad and the researcher from Delhi. So Hyderabad to Delhi. This is known. Okay. Chemist arrived after the economist, who arrived after the botanist. This is done. The researcher from Bhopal, Chandigarh. This is done. Exactly one person arrived between the researcher from Hyderabad and the researcher from Delhi. Exactly one person arrived between A and E. This is also done. He is a botanist from Hyderabad. The zoologist is from Bhopal, and historian is from Ahmedabad. Okay, historian Ahmedabad can only be with E. Historian Ahmedabad. And which leads, the statistician can only be A. He is the stats person. And everything within these points are captured. Only city for F and D are missing, which can be Mumbai, or what is the other city left? Mumbai or Bangalore? Here, Bangalore or Mumbai. So with E coming in at position 4, this is the entire cases that can be done. Okay. Now let's look at the second setup. For the second setup, given that E is here, now we will have 2 cases for botanist, economist, and chemist. They can either be 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4. They can either be 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4. So we will need another table. Place that here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can copy everything from the above table. HACE, then psycho, zoologist, then Pune, then Chandigarh, Bhopal. Now botanist and economist and chemist. So botanist, economist, chemist, and here botanist, economist, and chemist. These three. I know G is the botanist from Hyderabad. G is the botanist from Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, the person from Delhi was one step away. G is the botanist from Hyderabad, and the researcher from Hyderabad and researcher from Delhi had one gap of one. So this has to be Delhi. This has to be Delhi. This is done. B is the chemist, is also known. B is the chemist, is also known. Now D is a physicist. So D can only be here. Physicist. Also here, D is a physicist, can only be in the first part. D is a physicist, is known. The only person left is F. The only person left is F. Now, I need the historian to be from Ahmedabad. So, historian, Ahmedabad, and historian, Ahmedabad. Now, the only profession left is stats person, and that has to be A. So, stat. The two cities that F and D can come from are Mumbai, Bangalore, Mumbai, and the same gets copied here. Bangalore, Mumbai, and Mumbai, and Bangalore. So all in all, we get 6 cases. 2 cases coming from Mumbai, Bangalore distribution between F and D in either of these setups. Let's get to individual questions. The names, professions, cities, as well as the order of arrival of the dinner can be uniquely determined for how many of the 8 researchers. For G, he can come at 2 spots, so he's out. F, he can come at 2 spots, so he's out. D, he can come at 2 spots, slot 3 and slot 4, so he's out. D can come at 3 spots, so he's out. H can only come at 5. H, A, C. These 3 people can only come at slot 5. And for each of these 3 people, their professions are also fixed, their cities are also fixed. So answer to the first question has to be 3. For H, A, and C, we know their professions, we know the city, we know the order of their arrival. Everything is precisely known. Okay. Next question. If F is from Mumbai, the names, professors, field of research, as well as the order of arrival at the dinner can be uniquely determined for how many of the 8 researchers. If F is from Mumbai, these 3 cases still survive. Still, for G, the trouble remains the same. For F, if he's from Mumbai, that is wonderful, but his order of arrival can be 2 or 3. For B, his order of arrival can be 3 or 4. For E, his order of arrival can be 4 or 8. For H, it is fixed. For A, it is fixed. For C, it is fixed. The order of arrival for D can still change, which is to say, the answer to the second question also remains 3. Next question, which of the following is a correct combination? C is a zoologist from Bhopal. Yes, this is the correct combination. A is not the historian from Ahmedabad, that is E. B is the chemist from Delhi. E is a historian from Ahmedabad, so this is also not correct. The answer is option A. Okay. Next question. If B arrived at the dinner immediately before the psychologist. So B arrived at the dinner immediately before psychologist. So this third case or third sub-case is being talked. Who was the first researcher to arrive at the dinner? This one, the first researcher to arrive at the dinner is D, the physicist, or option B is the right answer. And that will be the entirety of this set. What this forces us to do is carefully make sub-cases, and every time you make a sub-case, you have to capture the information of the prior setup very, very correctly. That will be all.